All right, we're back.
Same
All right.
clothes, same everything.
All right. Um,
I think we're talking about AdImprover. Yeah, RSA AdImprover.
oh, that's right. So let's go into it. So if you didn't watch the last video, basically we're just doing a little introduction, giving some background on how our Accelerate AI works and a little demonstration. Am I sharing my screen or no?
No, not yet.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, you see it?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so let's do another AI demo, but this time we're going to be talking about our AdImprover. So the gist of how this works is once you link your Google Ads account, PPC Ad Editor will find your best performing RSA ads based off of the headlines and descriptions that have the most impressions,
Mm.
because that's really the only data you can get from Google Ads now. So that might change. Hopefully, we'll see conversion data come through. But I think as of today, the 24th of February, 2023, you can only get impression data. So because of
So
that, we're just assuming that if Google is showing a particular ad headline or description more often than the others, then it's probably performing better. That's my view on it. So I don't know if
okay,
that's
I,
how
I
it works.
I remember talking about this, and while we were building it out and prototyping it, we were trying to think of, all right, if I was, an agency and I knew that my campaign was doing well, I would want to like refresh the campaign with even better ad copy. So this would be a short way to just plug in the best, like I call them assets. So like text assets, plug them into Google, plug them into AI, pull them from Google, plug it into our AI, or Accelerator AI, and then have it come back with something that sort of like spawned uh, a another variation of the best working ad copy.
I was gonna say, I don't know if this is like apples to apples comparison, but you know the movie Sparta, or not Sparta,
Yes.
300.
Uh-huh.
Now in the
This is
beginning
Sparta.
of the movie,
You
like
got it backwards.
they throw the babies. If
Oh
they're not
yeah.
like
Yeah.
100% perfect, they throw it. So, but on the back end, what they want to build is like the best of the best, right? Like they want to
Sure.
get rid. So it's kind of the same technology. Like we're taking the best of the best.
Strategy rather.
Yeah, the best headlines, the best descriptions, and then spawning even more better
Var
ads
Variations of those
variations.
those
Right?
good ones.
Hence the name, right? AdImprover. So let's give it a whirl. So of course I have to link to a Google Ads account. So
Yeah.
we're not doing anything. So if you're looking this, don't be
Yeah,
scared. We're
some
not
people might
changing
be
your bids.
scared that, we also have a fear. We don't want to like mess with anybody's act live campaign, so it's just reading the data.
So I'm just gonna let's you know what? I'm gonna stop sharing because there's
You want to pause, you
some
mean?
or you can't see my screen, right?
No, not right now.
Cool. There's some NDAs that I signed that I can't show you my clients. Then
Oh,
I'll have
yeah.
to
Nice call. Nice call.
find all of you guys where you live and stuff. But let me just do some quick linking in the background.
Nice, nice.
It's linking. Trust me here.
Can't people can't know who you're working for.
I know. All right. I'm just gonna pick an account. Okay. Oh, hold on. So with the dashboards, you can only link um, one at a time, one per dashboard.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what I'm doing is unlinking. So give me a moment here. Oops. Okay, let's do it again.
I'm trying to think if there's like a, other ways to improve ads. I guess this RSA would be, I mean, we don't have, there's an idea to like add Wally. which is, or Dolly, which is the image AI, into sort of like a RDA type of thing, but we haven't worked that out yet. I think we're more focused on sort of like a text-based, search-based stuff. I really do like Ad Intel though. I think once that's ready, it's going to be similar. It's sort of like, I wouldn't say espionage, but you're like getting intel from organic search to feedback into the way I was like explaining it to somebody was, if you worked for like Honda and you wanted to make ads that were better for than Toyota, you would try to see what Toyota's kind of writing out, and then sort of use similar, or use whatever the competitor's kind of using to generate your own version of that. All right,
Cool.
I see your screen now.
All right. So I linked to one of my accounts. So what we're looking here is all of the campaigns
Hmm.
that are in there. So, ignore it. You'll see a bunch of different campaigns. This is just us internally testing it. Let me just pick one here. I think was a real one.
So this is different from Accelerator. Now we're not typing in text assets or any text. We're getting text that is pre-existing and feeding the best performing ones based off
Yes.
like impression data.
Yep. So I just pulled a campaign and ad group, and it
Cool.
says the AI is busy right now. And generally sometimes that happens just because everyone's hitting OpenAI right now.
Sure.
Let's try it again.
So is it safe to say that the headline one, headline two is the best performing one?
Oh
Create
yeah,
and share
that's right.
visually, get
Good point.
instant feedback. Yeah.
Yep. So create and share visually, get instant feedback are probably the top two headlines with the most impressions,
Nice.
and then description one here and description two. But yeah,
Okay.
so using those headlines and descriptions, the AI came and
So it's a
um,
great refresher. You could refresh or at least build a draft campaign based off old impression data or current impression data so that you can consider a refresher of that ad copy.
yeah. So really, you don't have to put in your product description or name. It basically trains it with your better performing ads, and then same
Yeah,
process. Just select. These are pretty cool. Yep.
nice.
Same idea, and then create the ad.
So again, very focused digital marketing, very focused paid search. It's different from some of the AI tools out there. You're looking at something very specific for the agency person or ad copy person, just to speed up, the workflow or process that they have when creating or building out ads. It's different from, what you would use, Jasper or something like that, where you have to sort of like go back and forth, make sure the character counts are there. You wouldn't be able to like find out what the best performing ad headline is. And so, you would have to do a little bit of your own homework, research, drill down into the Google Ads platform, pull out that best performing headline, plug it into Jasper, whatever it is. We love Jasper too. It's just that we just are trying to make sure that, our users and people out there understand that this is very catered to the marketer and to the agency person, so that they have a way to just come up with ad copy faster.
Right. This is a very specific use case, right? If
Yep.
you're writing, if you're looking for content to write a blog about, or looking for a
It's not
blog
going to do.
title, yeah, this you're not gonna get it here. You're gonna, if you need something to mock up ads, you need some quick ideas for a client, you have a deadline in like 10
2
minutes and your
minutes.
copywriter is like out sick, or is on not on Slack, is on lunch, and you're running out of ideas. This is the
Yeah.
perfect
Writer's block. You got heavy writer's
mhm.
block. You're just staring at a blank PC for like hours. This is one way to just get something off the ground.
Yeah.
Oh,
So yeah,
looks
check it out.
all
Again,
right.
AdImprover to do what I just did. And then the other video is just Ad Accelerator. Basically, you enter
Maybe
in your products.
somebody out there in the marketing space wants to jump on a call with us or some type of video thing, and we could do it together for a couple of products they represent. That's cool too. It's a great way to just showcase what Accelerator is about and how to share it and, you know, get feedback.
All right. Well, thank you for your time, Nathan. It's always been fun showing the
Cool.
people the background stuff. We're definitely going to do more of these videos. So, let us know.
Stay tuned.
Every time we launch a new feature, I think it's a good idea to.
Yeah, the concept was to get people to understand and see it in real time because I mean we can do conferences, we can do you know articles and stuff like that, but it's always better to have like information in real time and just kind of answer questions back and forth because it does take a little bit of effort to log into the platform and get some stuff done, but if you can see sort of like how it works, it's really not that hard, and a couple of minutes and you'll get some ad copy. So yeah.
All right. Until next time.
All right.
See ya.